Okay, guys, so I'm back with another video from My Legion Secret, and what I'm going to do is show you guys how to send out an effective email swipe. Okay, so effective, that's the main thing. You want to make sure that when you're sending out these emails that they are decent emails. They're, they're put together, they're well put together, they're well thought out. You want to kind of take your time with them because you're not going to be writing a ton of emails. You're going to be reusing a lot of the ones that you already created. So we want to just make sure that we are getting our point across. We're not saying too much, but we're saying enough to pique their curiosity for them to actually join the program. Okay. So, basically it's telling you all the things not to do. And you're going to take this stuff out of here after you read it, and then you're going to put in your email. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just remove this information. I got the email swipes that was provided by the Facebook group that you should now be a part of, and I went through some of the email swipes that I seen, and this is the one that I want to use. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to control copy it, and I'm just doing a body right now, so I'm going to just paste this in. Okay, and then what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and edit this email to make it look nice. Okay, so guys, where we ended at, I had to pause the video, I'm back, is I want to just scroll up because there's some things that I shouldn't have skipped, but we're going to go ahead and just go up. When you go here to the top, you want it to just say mail by date, okay? And you want to keep that one. I just don't want no one to feel like they have to switch this out. You're going to just keep it where it says mail by date, okay? And then what you're going to do is I'm going to use send from myself. I recommend that, to send from yourself, because you want to brand yourself, your name. As you create more emails, they will be here, but right now there's none there because I haven't created any. Okay, but as your emails are created, they're going to be here loaded into your back office. Okay, for the subject line, I'm going to take one from the list. For this one, it has earn extra cash without extra work. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to just say earn and I'm going to do, I did a short video, so I'm going to put watch short video. You don't have to put that if you don't have a video. You can just put earn extra cash without extra work, or you can just put extra cash without extra work. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to use this first name here. I want to start off with their first name, so I'm going to just copy and paste just this part here. So we're going to copy it, and that's just a code to plug in a person's first name because we get that information with all of the emails. Okay, so I'm gonna do hi space, and then I'm gonna paste, so it's gonna come up hi, and then it's gonna say the person's first name. What we want to do here is I don't really like the spacing, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Give me 1 second here. Let me see how you do this. 1 second. Okay, so what I did was I just took the email and I went ahead and put it in a notepad so I can edit it. So I'm going to control copy it. I just kind of took out all of that spacing because I don't like that. And then we're going to get out of here. And what I'm going to do is just pull this out. And let's see what happened when I put it back in. Okay, so here it is again with all of that spacing. I really don't like this spacing. It just doesn't look good to me. And what I also want to do is here, I'm going to add a picture, okay? So you can add basically whatever you want. You can take pictures from Google. You can add pictures from wherever you want. You know, you just have to put the URL for the photo into the email, and then that's basically how you add the photo. So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? To your success, I'm going to put my name here, Amanda Ray. I don't know why it does that. Okay, let's just put it in here. I'm going to do Amanda Ray online and offline coach. And we'll just leave it like that. I'm going to put that there. So now it's there. All right. All right, I wasn't going to do this, but I really want to. I like to have my emails centered. It's just my preference. You don't have to have yours centered. It's not a big deal, but I like to have mine centered, okay? Also like my font to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and increase the size to, let's say, 16. I like that. And then font, I do like the Georgia style. That's just my personal thing. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, okay? It's not going to like kill you if you have it one way or the other. Now to add a picture, all we want to do is I'm going to go over to Facebook. Okay, when you're in Facebook, what you're going to do is go to your photos, okay? And when you go to your photos, you're going to pick the picture that you want. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to just click on it. And then what I want to do is I want to right click the photo, and then I want to copy the link address, okay? So again, just click the photo and copy the image address, okay? So after you copy it, what you're going to do is you're going to go back over to here to your email, and then you want to click on image, okay? So you want to just type that URL from your picture right in here where it says URL, okay? And then you want to kind of play with the width and the height. So I'm going to try 200 and just see what that looks like. Well, it says 200, 300. So let's see what it looks like here. We're going to just hit OK. And that's a pretty decent sized picture, okay? It's not too big, it's not too small, but at the same time, I'm branding myself, and people know that I'm a real person, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I did a video tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and link that video here. But if you don't do videos, you can just click here to watch a short video and then link it back to your URL. So in My Legion Secret, where we went over where your code is at for you to promote, that's what you would put here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I want to use My Legion Secret referral link, all I have to do is copy this, go grab my link, okay? So I do have here, my link is right here in this notepad. You can save your link in a notepad. So this is mine. I got it connected to a domain. Yours is probably going to be just letters and numbers unless you connect it to a domain. All I want to do is take that link and add it here. Again, guys, you can go right to your let's see if I put it in here, I think my link will come up. So this is what your link looks like. Okay, it's this mylegionsecret.com, and whatever 5 numbers is at the back of it, that's your link. Okay, so what you want to do is take that link, okay, where it says click here, you want to just take this link button, click it, and then boom, add your link there. Okay, hit OK, and then where it says click here, I would bold that so that it stands out. Okay, and then I'm going to put my video link for the video that I did here, and I'm going to add my video to this additional link. So that's my video here. What I'm going to do is go in and I'm going to hit this again, and then I'm going to include my link for that. Okay, now again, if you don't have a video, you're going to just put your link twice. That leads back to your My Legion Secret sales page. Okay, so after I look at it, just want to make sure that it flows well. Another thing that I want to do that I think is really smart is to link them, let them be able to go back to your Facebook page. If you promote a lot through your Facebook page, you can take your Facebook page and also put that information in the email. So people, if they want to, they can connect with you through Facebook. Okay, I'll show you guys how to do that in another video. I don't want to give you too much information. But basically, after you make sure that it's flowing correctly, it looks good, all you have to do is hit the perfect timing if you want. You know, it says we can now predict the optimal delivery hour of the day for each of your leads. I'm going to try the perfect timing. And then you want to preview it to just see what it looks like. Here's the video. So this is the title. Then this is the body of the email, what it's going to look like. And then basically, I guess I can test it to see if it works. You know, make sure all of your links are working before you send it out. So hello everyone out there. That's my one link. And then here, I can test this one and see if it goes to my sales page, which it does. Okay. So once I test that, it's good to go. I can close this. And then after that, all I have to do is hit send email. Oh, sorry. You got to select the leads first. Let's go up here and select the leads. Select all. I want them to go to all of the leads that I have. So it moved on over. It's going to go out to 400 leads. Okay. And then I'm going to hit send email. And I'm all set. So I know that might have been a lot, or it takes a little bit of time to do, but now I can use this email over and over and over again because it's now in the system. And if it takes 20 to 30 minutes to put an email together, that's a decent amount of time. Emails is what makes money. So take your time to edit the email, make sure that your links are working, make sure that you add a nice, clear picture, okay? And make sure that you're just sending to your list daily. That's really important, okay? So right here it says, please wait. In 23 hours or whatever, I can send out my next mailing. So that's what I'm going to do. It says your message has been queued. You should be able to view it on the statistic page in a few moments. So all I have to do is go up here to statistics, and it'll show me how it performed once the email goes out. Okay, so let's move on to the next step.